Evaluate the complexity of a quiz and identify teaching opportunities by measuring how long it takes learners to answer quiz questions. This tutorial shows how to measure how long it takes a learner to complete a set of quiz questions. Before you can measure the time to complete a quiz question, you must create a quiz with one question per page. By doing so, you can time how long a learner spends on each page and thus each question of the quiz. To begin, from Quizzes, navigate to the quiz containing the questions you want to measure. Click its context menu and select Grade. From the Users tab, click a learner's quiz attempt to view how they answered the questions. Then, navigate to the quiz results and review the saved time for each of the questions. You'll notice that question 1 was saved at 3:17 p.m. and question 2 was saved at 3:21 p.m. Therefore, it took 5 minutes for the learner to complete the second question. Knowing how long it takes a learner to complete a quiz question allows you to identify where learners may need help, as well as better design similar quiz questions in future quizzes. Evaluate the complexity of a quiz and identify teaching opportunities by measuring how long it takes learners to answer quiz questions.